The bonding zone concept applies to the installation of cabinets inside equipment rooms and shelters. Different bonding zones are classified according to the maximum length between the main earth terminal and the cabinet furthest away. This we call distance D. It's recommended that a group of cabinets be positioned as close as possible to the grounding cable entry so that the main earth terminal can be positioned as close to the cable lead-in as possible. If this isn't possible, then the terminal connector should be moved closer to the radio base station. The bonding zone concept may be extended when applied to a large system, including multi-group equipment. For example, two groups of equipment placed in two different bonding zones. Note that a main earth terminal must be installed beside each of the equipment groups. It's forbidden to make a direct connection between equipment cabinets of different groups. If an interconnection is necessary between cabinets of two or more groups, then the connecting wires must be terminated at the main earth terminal of each group. The cables must also be fed through the cable lead-in. The solution for bonding cabinets must be selected according to the bonding zone in which the cabinets are installed. A single conductor bond is made when the maximum D length is less than 5 meters. A 35 square millimeter ground conductor is fitted to one side of the cable ladder. The top of the cabinet is bonded to this conductor through a short 35 square millimeter ground conductor. The short conductor should be no longer than 800 millimeters. All cables on a cable ladder must be carefully arranged. Generally, the cable having the highest shield effectiveness and surge immunity is placed furthest away from the bonding conductor. One example is feeder cables, as opposed to other types of radio base station cables. For the same reason, cables more sensitive to electromagnetic or static disturbances are located at or near the middle of the cable support ladder. Where the maximum length of D exceeds 5 meters, and where there could be different types of cabinet location, refer to the Grounding Guidelines document. To protect equipment from harmful currents, all large metallic components are bonded together and connected to the grounding system. The following objects must be bonded to the main earth terminal. The closest lightning protection system, using a 35 square millimeter conductor. The outer cable shield of each coaxial cable. The ends of the earthing conductors from the cabinets to the cable support ladder. The protective earth conductor of AC power equipment for radio base station equipment in TNS installations. Local regulations for other AC power installations must also be taken into consideration. The grounding conductor from the tower base bonding bar, if fitted. Elevators, heating and water pipe networks, if they're located very close to the radio base station equipment room.